The client was ecstatic. It really was the largest ETF creation that we were able to solve for using UiPath.
Hello, I'm Peter Cusick, Director of Transformation at Pershing BNY Mellon.
Hi, I'm Christy Chon, Head of Global Clearance and Settlement at Pershing, Bank of New York Mellon. So I would say one of the best use cases that we had was when we had a client that approached us and asked us to support a settlement for the largest ETF creation. It was outside of our standard system, what we can support, and we had to do a manual process. Now, doing 4,000 security movements manually caused a lot of risk. So what we did was we brought in our UiPath developers, posed the solution to them, or posed the problem to them, and they came up with a solution leveraging UiPath. The client was ecstatic. It really was the largest ETF creation that we were able to solve for using UiPath.
Yeah, so this is my second Forward event, and we've been utilizing UiPath over the several years and continued to grow a relationship. And I think what makes the partnership work is UiPath continuing to innovate and improve, and then also us continuing to have success. So combining those two things together makes for a great relationship. We're able to successfully grow and expand our program and take advantage of the increased capabilities that you guys are making available as we grow. So it makes for a great partnership. I'm excited to be a part of the Banking and Financial Services Summit this year because I feel like I got so much out of the first Forward that I attended a couple years ago when I was starting out my robotics program and my robotics journey. And it was so helpful to talk to people that had an established program, lessons learned, best practices, all those types of things. I gained so much information and helped me launch my successful citizen developer program. So just wanted to come and give back and share those experiences and how the last couple of years have gone.
A lot has changed in the macro environment. There has been volatility in the marketplace. We're all familiar with the Great Resignation. And robotics has actually helped to solve for that, right? We've had, volume has increased. We have not had to add to staff in order to help sustain some of that volume and meet client demands. So it has been a success story for us. We are fully invested in robotics. I have a team that is dedicated to robotics that are meeting with each of the business units to understand some of their challenges, their manual processes, and figure out where we can automate, reduce risk, and increase operational efficiency. So we see this growing, we're fully invested, and we're excited for the future.
So the future of our automation program, we're looking to take advantage of some of the increased capabilities the UiPath has rolled out. We started this last year with our first document understanding projects, and we've seen a lot of success with that. So we're looking to roll out document understanding to our citizen developer program, allow our citizen developers to do document understanding projects, and then also expand the use of that for the automation Center of Excellence team as well. Additionally, the AI modeling is something that we're very interested in. We've got a couple use cases dealing with reading information off client statements that we're very interested in. So I think we're going to expand our capabilities utilizing that. And then some of the new features that I'm seeing here at Forward here today are also some things that I'm going to add to my roadmap in the future.